Welcome this video. Small wonder house. Create idea for a cozy house. Introducing in a world when big often seen better. The the allure of a small house is undeniable. Complete space him a unique, charming, that inviting, converting, and resourcefulness. When your downsize look too simple, your life, or just when to make the most of the bare living area. Open floor plants break down well and create an open floor plant can work wooding in a small house. Remove unnecessary pattern between room can make the space float more expansive and promoting better float but such to concede when perfectly and acute structure integrating before even on this project. Light, color and middle. Other of light, natural color of your well and decor. Lights, color, reference, natural lights are create an allowing of perfection at incorporating modern structurality can help balancing light around the room, make it flow brighter and more opening. Modularly Modularly furniture is designed to add to virgin comfortably and can be processing useful in smart small house. Pricing like moderately soft, shapely, unique, and kitchen can be rearranged to sub your charges need. This perfect is a small wooden in itself. Natural lights and large window. If possible, invest. If in large window to flood your small house with natural light. Sunlight not only make the space flow more invite but also create a connected to the outdoor outdoor living when you have unlimited indoor space. Do not forget to unless the outdoor. Create an inviting outdoor living area with charming set pillow plants and ambience lights. It can survey us an exploding of your house, providing addingly space of Raffland and inter personally touch and decor. Even in a small space, it enhancing of influence your personally and style. Choose decor image and artwork that recent those you use textile and throwing to add away and textile to your room. Personally touch and can tie or small house into charm and inviting house. Conclusion: a smart house can be a wooden laid of choose charming and creating a possibility. B ambience maximum less maximum space and make small decor choose. You can transform your comfort about into a way to inviting restart. Remember that a smart house, thoughtful living, focal on those try master and find job in the late think with those idea and a due of creating your smart house can become a testing of the beauty and living small and living away well.